Welcome, Team Spiritual, James and Justin, back again with another reaction video. We're getting into the arts again, and we like to keep it light every now and then because we take on some pretty intense videos sometimes, so it's good to like throw in a nice, easy, relaxing one where we do a music reaction. And so we're going to do like the most trending one on YouTube right now is Jisso, and we like to do this because you can learn something from seeing what the whole world is like appreciating.
Oh,
like
hell yeah.
It's interesting. Now, this is a Korean pop song. I don't speak Korean, so I left the subtitles on there or whatever, so you can read those. If you can
Beautiful.
See them. Yeah, this is by Jisso. It's called Flower, and we're going to get right into it.
This is the first time seeing this ever for me.
Chapter 1.
ABC 도레미 만큼 착했던 나 그 눈빛이 싹 변했지 어쩜 이 또 하나니까 난 파란 나비처럼 날아가 잡지 못한 건 넌 네 몫이니까 활짝 꽃피웠던 시간도 이제 모두 내게 lie.
So what are you getting from that so far?
Okay, so I know it's supposed to be light, but I'm already gonna tread some weird waters here.
Oh, okay.
It seems to me that like the world is like globalizing,
Yeah.
globalization, you know, and I think we're all being influenced by each other's cultures, right?
Yeah.
So there's that. I have to question, like, is this the type of lyrical content you would have found in it's Korean?
Yeah.
In Korean music style 20 years ago? Or is everybody's kind of cultural mores like, you know, becoming the same?
It's a good point because it seems very Western when you watch.
Yeah.
Like I'm very familiar. Like, oh, this is like if she was speaking English, I wouldn't think anything of it.
Yeah.
Well, but still with like its own clearly like specific cultural things. Like I don't know if there's a significance to a blue butterfly or if it's just a nice sounding lyric. Yeah.
Right? So I guess that you could do some research. But
붉게 타버려진 너와 난 괜찮아 넌 괜찮을까 구름 한 점 없이 예쁜 날 꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다
Like that there. It doesn't matter where you go in the world. When you get a pop song going, you gotta have a train of people doing synchronized motions on screen.
but it's neat. They're all wearing like eye coverings.
Very Lady Gaga.
Yeah.
향기만 남기고 갔단다 You and me 미칠 듯이 뜨거웠지만 처참하게 짓밟혀진 내 하나뿐인 라일락 난 하얀 꽃잎처럼 날아가 잡지 않는 것은 너니까 살랑살랑 부는 바람에 이끌려보만 오지만 우리 my bye bye 붉게 타버려진 너와 난 괜찮아 넌 괜찮을
So we're seeing chapters here, and I'm not only am I watching the video, but I'm reading the subtitles below, and so it seems like this video is about someone leaving or a breakup or something like that. You didn't hold on, bye,
Right.
all that stuff. So seems like your classic breakup song. But let us know in the comments. It's hard to try and like put this all together. Let us know because you guys always do anyway. Tell us like, no, it was about this. Yeah, you can do that. Do that.
구름 한 점 없이 예쁜 날 꽃향기만 남기 남기고 갔단다.
Street dancing.
꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다. 이젠 안녕 goodbye. 뒤는 절대 안 봐. 미련이란 이름에 입새하나 봄비.
So there's all this like, like flowers reference.
Yeah.
What's that? What do you think that's?
I think near the end, there's something makes reference to like the petals or something, and it like blowing away or something like that. And I think it's like
So it does all tie in.
Yeah, I think it's a metaphor for the relationship. The flowers dying or going away.
Right.
So kind of like the relationship.
Interesting.
I could again let us know.
Yeah.
너에게서 떨어져 꽃향기만 남아. 꽃향기만 남기고 갔단다.
That's it. Just sitting on the bed. This is Jisso flower.
Well, there you have it.
Pretty simple. We like looking at these videos from different cultures. So let us know. And obviously you see the Stay Spiritual sign behind us. I know we have a lot of people from India that watch our content and stuff like that. And so even like religious music and stuff that we don't know about, that we don't see about in our feed, let us know about those songs. We'd love to do reactions on those. All cultures, share with us. We try to, follow what's trending and what's popular. So, let us know.
And give our opinions on it.
Yeah.
The show should maybe be called Stay Opinionated.
Yeah. So leave a comment. If you like this episode, don't forget to smash that like button, share this with a friend, subscribe, and everybody until next time, stay spiritual.